Farley and Ferry, we are harvesting a lot of excitement this weekend. We actually have 7 open houses. We will be hosting 7 open houses this weekend, and they will be starting from 11 a.m. through 3 p.m. 4 of them will be on the island, and 3 of them, of course, will be offshore. Also, we have some tremendous price reductions at 106 South Dorset, on 5602 Winchester Avenue, and on 2nd Street Northfield. So we are just spicing things up this harvest season. Also, we will be participating in one of Ventnor's events. It's the Trunk or Treat, and we have plenty of candy. Our theme for the event will be the Wheel of Fortune. So the children will come and actually, pick plenty of candy for their pumpkins. We will also have our very own Dana White on staff from the Wheel of Fortune hosting the event. So we're looking forward to a lot of fun and excitement on Saturday afternoon. Also, if you're looking to create a little magic in your life, you are involved. I actually will be a speller at the Diabetes Training Camp event. It's November 14th at the Hard Rock. I'll be a speller where I'm looking for some support, and I want to raise some funds for this wonderful event. So if you're looking to buy some tickets or sponsor us online, please do so at the Diabetes Training Camp site. So that's just spicing things up a little bit more for this holiday season. We have lots of activity here on the island, plenty of properties in our wheelhouse. So stop by, spin, and tour some of these wonderful homes to spend this festive season